In this video, I will guide you on how to fix Facebook Messenger automatically sending photos. The first thing you want to do is locate the Facebook Messenger app, long press on it, tap on this app info icon. Now scroll down and find permissions. Here find the option of photos and videos, select that. Now go ahead and select don't allow. Then head back. Now find the option of photo gallery and make sure to turn that off as well. Then head back. Now tap on storage. Then tap on clear cache. After this, you want to open the Messenger app and check if that issue is fixed. Next, you want to turn off Save on Capture on Messenger. For that, open the Messenger app. Then tap on the three-line menu at the bottom right corner. Now select Settings. Here scroll down and find the option of Photos and Media. Find Save on Capture and then toggle this option off. This will prevent photos from automatically saving or sending unexpectedly. Finally, you want to update the Messenger app. Launch open Play Store or App Store. Now search Messenger over here on the search bar. If you find an update option, tap on that and update the app to the latest version. This is going to fix any bugs in the application. It is also going to fix any known photo sending and media problems. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.